In a border inn, charismatic Umaro Ayar stayed, resting after his journey. Awakened by loud knocking, Umaro asked, "Who is it?" "Shahi Pura," replied the royal guards outside the door. Surprised, Umaro opened the door. Guards informed of a kidnapping. King's daughter, Jahan Ara, kidnapped by magician Lama Jadugar. King requested Umaro's help and promised a handsome reward. Told of red mountains, Umaro used magical shoes to fly there. In the mountains, Umaro found unconscious Jahan Ara in a cave. He met Aqab Pari, a magical bird-like sorceress there. Aqab Pari agreed to revive Jahan Ara for Umaro's wealth. Umaro gave her 2 bags of gold, hiding most of his wealth. Jahan Ara revived. Explosion announced Lama Jadugar's defeat. Aqab demanded hidden wealth. Umaro chose to kill Aqab instead. Using his magic dagger, Umaro killed Aqab Pari promptly. Umaro flew to the palace on his magical carpet with Jahan. King rejoiced and rewarded Umaro with gold and precious jewels.